Champion breakfast. We have here dal puri roti, pepper sauce, baigan and aloo, eros choka, potato wachedong, and some corn chips on the side. Talk na. And we have a new guest here coming in for breakfast with Uncle Kylo. We have Miss Chopsticks on the side. Talk na. All right, let's see how this goes. Some hot pepper. Good mix, good mix. But the pepper hot. Let's try corn chips. Crunchy and cheesy.
So, Uncle, I could try one of your corn chips.
Sure, sure.
I go and dip this in some curry.
Yeah, but you know, like your style.
That is spicy.
So nice having breakfast with Miss Chopsticks.